Welcome back. We were discussing the various measures adopted by Nigerian government to promote unity among Nigerians. We have discussed 3. Now, let us discuss the remaining. 4. Promoting intertribal marriages. Intertribal marriage is a form of exogamy that involves a marriage between spouses who belong to different ethnic groups or races. This has helped to promote and strengthen the country's unity because families are the smallest unity of any society. In most cases, offspring of such couples are nurtured to become good citizens of the country because they will be in a better position to appreciate Nigerians' cultural background in a more practical way. 5. The federal character policy. The essence of this policy is to foster unity amongst the federating units through equal representation of all sections of the nation at the federal level. The federal character policy justifies the adoption of the quota system in admission into federal educational institutions, recruitment into the civil service, armed forces, the leadership of political parties, and appointment of political office holders as stated in section 143(3) of the Constitution. The provision is also guided by the principle of equality of federating units and also to engender national unity. 6. Establishment of unity schools. The Nigerian government created unity schools to foster the bond of unity among Nigerians. It is a means of strengthening national cohesion and integration in the country, as the school is filled with students from different states with different ethnic backgrounds and culture. The first unity school, King's College, was established in 1909 as all-boys secondary school in Lagos. Also, in 1927, another federal government-owned unity school, Queen's College, was established in Lagos as an all-girls school. Several other unity schools have also been established over the years, and this has really helped in fostering unity among Nigerians to a great extent. In conclusion, I have been able to explain unity to be the state of being united or joined as a whole, analyze the importance of unity, describe the ways of promoting national unity, and also talk about the measures adopted by Nigerian government to promote unity among Nigerians. Remember that the motto of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is unity and faith, peace and progress. If one of the pillars on which this nation is built is unity, then unity should not consistently be a subject of debates. In this world, everyone wants change, but no one wants to become that change. No one wants to stand first. Everyone wants others to do something about it. But I want you to know that this is our country, our home, and we all must do something good for our country. Hence, instead of thinking about the change, be that change. Help each other, support each other, and be kind. We should stand together because unity not only gives us power, strength, and courage, but it is also needed and very much important for our survival. Based on the knowledge gained today, answer the following questions. 1. Outline the ways of promoting national unity. 2. Analyze the measures adopted by Nigerian government to promote unity among Nigerians. 3. In your own words, describe the importance of unity in the home and Nigeria as a whole. For further reading, search the internet for the disadvantages of disunity in the home and in the country. Visit the following sites for further knowledge: https://classall.com, https://waeconline.org.ng. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and remain blessed.